Here we go with examples for section 5.2. We've got about 4 to run through. I'll zoom in a hair so you can see better. Oops. Well, hopefully that helps you see better. What this wants you to do, there's 2 parts of this problem. It wants you to identify all congruent corresponding parts and then write another congruent statement. Okay, another congruent statement. And you'll notice here they've already written one. Whatever, we can do that. And what they want you to do first is identify all pairs of congruent corresponding parts. Well, there's sides and there's angles. We'll just do the angles, I guess. I'm going to start with angle 1s. I can say angle B is congruent to angle F. How do I know that? They both have 1 ticks. Then I'm just going to work my way around. Angle 2 is C. Angle 2 is G. It's in giraffe. Angle 3 is D as in dinosaur. Angle 3 is H as in hedgehog. And angle 4 is A. And that's the same as angle E. Cool. Now you could also do that using sides. So for example, I could go BC is congruent to, and this is where you have to make sure you're matching, and in a way you still use the angles. So BC is from angle 1 to angle 2. FG would be angle 1 to angle 2. Okay? So you could also do more congruent corresponding parts like this. I'll just do it real quick with our example. And we're going to work our way around the triangle. So CD next. Oh, not the triangle, I'm sorry, the trapezoid. So CD, we went from angle 2 to angle 3. Angle 2 to angle 3 would be GH. 3 to 4. DA is congruent to 3 to 4. EH. And again, what I'm really doing is I'm kind of using this shape as a map. AB, we're going angle 4 to angle 1. And 4 to 1, EF. Boom, there we go. So there's our congruent corresponding parts. Write another congruent statement. So I can't use the same one. They did A, B, C, D. I'm going to go angle 1, angle 2, angle 3, angle 4. That's the map I want to use. So I'm going to go B, C, D, A is congruent to, and now I have to follow that same map. Angle 1, angle 2, angle 3, angle 4. Follow the pattern. Angle 1, angle 2, angle 3, angle 4. F, G, H, E. Bop. There you go. With number 2, you're using the fact that these guys, these 2 triangles, are congruent to set up and solve equations. So, if we look at this triangle, right away, you'll see, hey, SR is that guy, ML is that guy. So there's one match. So we can say 3x plus y equals 43. Well, we can't really solve that because we've got 2 variables here. That's a problem. Well, where else can we get information? Well, here's n. N is 63. M is 93. N is last in my congruent statement. T is also last, which means 63 will also be 63 over here. Okay? Now we're just going to look at this triangle. What are these 3 angles going to add up to? 93, 63, and 3x add up to 180, the inside a triangle. So we can go 93 plus 63 plus 3x equals 180. So now we're jumping back to 5-1 to solve this problem. Combine your like terms. 156 plus 3x equals 180. And we're just going to solve this guy. Get that variable by itself. And it looks like x. Oops. Looks like x equals 8. If x equals 8, I'm going to take that value and put it in right here also. So this is 3 times 8 plus y equals 43. 3 times 8 is 24. And we're just going to solve this guy little by little, just using our algebra skills. And I'm getting y equals 19. Bop. We have found x, we have found y, we're all done. So you can kind of see how sometimes we can use that congruent statement to pull out some piece of information, which is what we did here. On number 3, show that the two quadrilaterals are congruent. This could be an explanation piece. Right away, you've got 1, 2, 3 angles that are the same. As in, like, these guys are the same, these guys are the same, these guys are the same. These guys in the middle, do we know they're the same? We actually do. They are vertical. So you can write some ticks on there. You should always write ticks on vertical angles. That will just help our brains. Now we can see, hey, look, all the angles are the same. The sides are the same. We definitely have same sizes here. So we can say, show that the two quadrilaterals are congruent. I think they want a congruent statement. So we could say JKLQ. That's angle 2, angle 1, angle 3, angle 1. JKLQ. We'll just take the top way. JKLQ is congruent to NNLP. Bop. There you go. And again, you're going to see if you follow that pattern, JKLQ, NNLP, you're going to get the same spots. You're making the same pattern or map. And last but not least, number 4. It says find the measure of angle T. Angle T is over here. Definitely 2 ways you can do this, okay? I think what they want you to probably do is to say, hey, look, this is angle 1, that means it's 41. This is angle 2, this is 74, that's also angle 2. Now we can just put an x up here and solve for x, because all these guys are going to add up to 180. 41 plus 74 plus x equals 180. And we got 115 plus x equals 180. And we just kind of solve away from here. Boom. Bop. There you go. We're going to skip the last one. Boom. Hopefully that helps a bit. Now we got time to work on your big ideas assignment as well as your IXL. Please let me know if you have any questions. Have a good day.